Hey guys, so keeping its promise of providing updates to the Nokia smartphone for at least 2 years, Finland-based HMD Global has now started rolling out the latest Android 9 Pie update to the Nokia 6, which was launched in 2017. According to the rumor, the new update is currently being rolled out in Australia, India, and Latin America. Additionally, users from the UAE are also reporting the arrival of the over-the-air update. However, users from other regions will have a wait for a few more days. The new Android Pie update for the Nokia 6 weighs around 1.7 GB. It brings the latest February 2019 Android security patch along with a bunch of new features, including digital well-being, adaptive battery optimization, new system navigation, among others. When the Nokia 6 was launched, the phone was running Android 7.1 Nougat operating system out of the box. However, the phone received the Android Oreo update soon after its launch, and now, after 2 years of the phone's launch, it has finally received Android 9 Pie. This could be the last major update for the smartphone from HMD Global.